Much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the moment that we're all indeed waiting for. It is now my pride and my privilege, in fact, my honor to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Kapil Sibal, Union Minister of Communications and IT, to please deliver that very significant address that we're waiting for.
Thank you very much, Chandrasekhar ji, Garg Sahab, Upadhyay Sahab, and Kakkar Sahab, and the officials of the DOT, the Telecom Commission, BSNL, representatives, functionaries, MTNL functionaries, my friends in the media. This is truly a very proud moment for us. Who says that the public sector cannot deliver? The public sector can deliver and can deliver very well. Why is it a proud moment? I think it will change the course of history in India, in the way we interact with each other, in the way we do business, in the way we connect with each other. Just imagine, अब दिल्ली में ही देख लीजिए कि कोई एक पहाड़गंज में रहता है, एक साउथ दिल्ली कहीं रहता है, एक जमुना पार रहता है, और भाई बहन सभी लोग ऐसे बिखरे हुए हैं, और तीनों के चारों के घर में अगर ये फोन होगा, वीडियो फोन, तो रोज बात कर सकेंगे, अपना एक दूसरे को देख भी सकेंगे. कितनी बड़ी उपलब्धि है ये कि you can connect with each other, families connect with each other without traveling, not just through voice, to figure out how you are feeling. You know, if a sick person an old sick person is at home and there is no help, he can call the doctor, and the doctor can over the video ask him things that he would not be able to ask just through voice. If you have 3 factories which are spread, for example, in any state in India, right? And this is incidentally a pan-India service now, because BSNL is also tied up with SIS. So BSNL tie-up with SIS, MTNL tie-up with SIS covers all of India. So this service is now available throughout India, pan-India. So you can imagine factories around. Ab main dekh raha tha screen pe. You can actually see how your workers are working in the factory. You know, whether the manager of the factory has arrived on time or not, and what is he doing, and what are the problems in the factory. And actually you can see them, and you can direct. If there are production units of different business organizations in different areas, you can actually talk to each one of them. And then I believe you have a conference facility where you can talk to 10 people at one time. This is just a completely revolutionary thing that has been done. Now the thing is, the challenge is that the business plans should be such that they are available, accessible, affordable to people in India. Or I believe that the business plan ranges from about 799 rupees to 1 lakh. There's also an annual business plan of about 15,000 a year, I believe. So that's not very expensive. It's about 1,200 rupees a month. And if families can invest that kind of money, see the enormous change that they can bring around in dealing with each other, in helping each other. And of course, with high-end business, you can use this. Look at it from another point of view. Supposing you have a recruitment process going on, you don't have the individual doesn't have to come to your office. If he has this phone and he has this facility, you can interview him at home. So you save time, he saves money, right? The process of interview is much quicker. You finish with one interview, you make a phone call to the other person, you do the other interview. And nobody has to travel. So your recruitment processes, your family interaction, your collaboration with your doctor, interaction with families, it's going to change the way we live, change the way we interact. And it's only, and the other thing, of course, for BSNL and for MTNL, your line business was going down, right? The mobile space was occupying all the line space. Now your line business will go up. I can assure you it's go up. And we're very proud of the fact that MTNL and BSNL will hold the key for what's going to happen in India in the future on the video front. One small suggestion. There's already a link of this gadget with the video screen, right? So in fact, you can connect this to your TV and enhance the image of the screen, right? And that itself will be a great boon. The other thing you should do, and I requested the secretary just now, connect it to the mobile phone. If we are able to connect it to the mobile phone, then your investigating processes, your inspector goes to the site of crime, he connects it to the video in the police station, to the forensic lab, right? And all those processes can happen instantaneously. India must think ahead. We cannot continue to live in the mindset of the 19th century and try and grapple with the problems of the 21st century. We have to think into the future, for the future, and for our children. Thank you very much.